What's up, everybody? We're here. We just finished doing a new motor swap out for a new customer of ours. The motor went dead. We already put everything back, but we got everything back up and running again. And client asked us to check out their plumbing. They're fairly new to this property, and they were wondering why this pipe here was labeled sprinkler. Okay, I say, oh, maybe sometimes they mislabel it, and it is off at this point. And this pipe down here does say fountain. So sometimes they could have mislabeled it. They do have waterfall sprinkler jets, or that they call them. Sometimes they call them spitters, waterfalls. But they have one inside of the fountain and one on the other side of the raised wall. So I said, when I replace the motor, since it's bad, we'll go ahead and we'll check it out for you, and we'll see what we find. So that's what I did, and let me show you what we actually find. I'm going to turn this valve. Okay, and this valve is leaking, and look at what we find. This is actually connected to their sprinkler system. Now, what would possess somebody to connect their pool pump to the sprinkler system to water their lawn? I mean, I can't make this up. For you to tie a pipe that's being plumbed from a closed pool plumbing system to your sprinklers to water your grass makes absolutely no sense. Number one, you're going to kill your grass, and number two, you kill your grass because of the chlorination that's found in the water, and number two, you're going to drain your pool. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to shut this off. We're going to see if, now we saw that sprinkler head going. Now I'm going to change the zone. That's the way they work. Let me see if I can get the other ones to work here in the back. That one's still going. All right, so here we go. Now we got the new zone. They're watering their pool, their grass with the pool. Can't make this up, man. This is gonna have to be completely changed out. All plumbing from the pool to the sprinkler system has to be X'd out.